People think there is a deal coming. Okay, something's going to happen. And tomorrow, something will be announced because there will be a destination about this Iran war.
As of yesterday, we did see the first monthly chart candlestick close green that has closed green in the last 6 months. So we almost saw 6 red candlesticks in a row. The last time we saw 6 red candlesticks close red in a row was back in 2018, and it signaled the bottom of the bear market.
Markets went crazy yesterday. Like, everything shot up. And it all comes down to one word: Iran. Trump basically said the war might be over. And when war ends, money comes back. It's that simple.
We'll be leaving soon. Okay. Does that mean we're winning or losing or we're just leaving? Bottom line, he's giving Iran an off-ramp, a signal to Iran. Now, basically, we could end this. We can end this. We could de-escalate, and both will save face. Neither one will look like they surrendered, right? So the U.S. will basically pull out and not declare that we lost, right? And then also Iran can move away and say they didn't lose either. That's basically what this is about, okay? Basically, it's a cover for both sides to de-escalate.
I personally believe right now that the fundamentals are stronger than the technicals. And so even though the technicals give us like a 90% confidence that Bitcoin's about to go through a major correction, we have fundamentals that are pointing Bitcoin towards going to a rally. Donald Trump said at the outset of this conflict that he was looking at a conflict that would last between 4 and 6 weeks. We are now in between 4 and 6 weeks. It's been just over 4 weeks. So theoretically, this conflict, according to what was said, should be coming to a conclusion pretty soon.
So here's the thing. Bitcoin just closed its first green month in 6 months. 6 months of red done. But we're sitting at 68,000 right now. And there's a wall at 69K. If we break through that, things could move fast.
Not to sit here and wait for Bitcoin to drop below $60,000 to begin investing. $68,000 is a phenomenal place to begin your entries, but we do want to be ready for a drop below $60,000.
And if this war does come to an end and we do pull out and there's a deal made, you're going to see this like every day for like a month. I feel like we will finally recover, and not only recover, jump up huge, okay? Because there's so much money sitting on the sidelines. Guaranteed. Guaranteed.
Look, nobody knows for sure. The charts say one thing, the news says another. But the smart money is already positioned. And if this war actually ends, there's a lot of money on the sidelines waiting to come back in.
So one way or the other, the conflict is probably going to take place. It's probably going to end at some point in the next few weeks. And when it does, you're almost certainly going to see Bitcoin go through a major recovery here.
And I'm sure I'm not the only one, but if quantum can break Bitcoin's encryption, it could also break the global banking system. It could break stock exchanges, military communications, nuclear commands, every HTTPS website on Earth.
That's your update for today. If you're watching this, you're early. Subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.